DPDA. So PDA is of PDA is of two types. One is NPDA and DPDA, non-deterministic push-down automata and deterministic push-down automata. Okay. So the difference between the NPDA and DPDA is, so in case of deterministic push-down automata, so if machine in any state like Q0, Q1, okay, or some Q3, any state the machine like this. So deterministic means here any state either perform push or pop operation. Okay, both cannot perform at a time a state. For example, Q0. Take Q0. So the Q0 can perform, so for example, only push operation. Okay, Q0 can perform only push operation. For example, Q1. So Q1 can perform only pop operation. Okay, this is a uniqueness. So if any state perform some unique operation like push and pop operation, then that is called a deterministic push-down automata. Okay. So here Q0 either perform push or pop operation. Okay. Q1 can perform either push or pop operation, push and pop operation, or Q3 is perform the push or pop operation. So a state can perform only one operation at a time. So that means only can perform only unique, not more than. Okay, not more than operations can perform a state. Okay, for example, if you Q0 perform push operation, but pop operation cannot. Okay, this is not valid. This is valid. For example, push Q1 is performing the pop operation. Okay, it is correct, but push is not valid. Push is not performed like this. Okay. So there is no choice. Q0, there is no choice to perform so more than one operation. Okay. So the Q0 only one chance is that push operation. Q1 is only one choice is pop operation. Okay. So this is a deterministic push-down automata. Okay, deterministic push-down automata. So can perform uniquely only one operation at a time. Okay. Now, what is a non-deterministic push-down automata? So Q0 has a choices, either the push operation and pop operation. Push and pop operation. Push and pop operation. So Q0 has a two choices, push or pop. Push. So at a time Q0 can push and pop. Okay. So Q1 can perform the push and pop. Okay. So this is valid. This is a valid at Q1. Okay, push also valid, pop is also valid. Okay, so that is a non-deterministic push-down automata. So non-deterministic push-down automata. So we have the more than one choice from state Q0. Okay, from state Q1 we have the some choices. Okay, so this is a major difference between the deterministic push-down automata, non-deterministic push-down automata. Okay, so I think you understand this one. So what is a NPDA and DPDA? Okay, na? So in this, any doubt? What is a DPDA and so here one question is asked. The computational power of PDA. So the computational power of PDA is nothing but it is a 2. Okay. So that means it is recognizing the finite automata and context-free language. Okay. So we can also call expressive the power of PDA or computational power of PDA. Okay. So the PDA is recognizing finite or the regular language and context-free language. Okay. The PDA is recognizing regular language and context-free language. Okay, that is a computational power of PDA. So the computational power of PDA is a 2. So 2 is nothing but it is recognizing regular language and CFL. Okay. So what is a computational power of finite automata? It is 1 because so it is recognizing only regular language. Okay, the finite automata is recognizing only one language, that is a regular language. So that is called computational power of PDA. Okay. So is there any doubts? So computational power. So now, so did you try this one W into WR? L equal to W equal to WR, where such that W belongs to 0, 1. Okay, place. So did you try this one? Cheshire, a problem W into W. This is an event palindrome. This is called event palindrome. Event palindrome. So event palindrome. This language is deterministic push down automata or non-deterministic push down automata? So W into W is, can you say that this language is recognizing by which machine? Non-deterministic push down automata or deterministic push down automata? So which machine can recognize it? So this is not deterministic push down automata. It is the NPDA. NPDA. Okay. So this is a non-deterministic push down automata. Now see here WCWR. Okay. So this is the deterministic push down automata where W belongs to 0, star. Okay, this is a deterministic push down automata. Push down automata. So now L equal to A power n, B power n. So where n such that n greater than equal to 1. This is also DPD. So how we are going to say these languages are NPDA and DPDA and okay. So after constructing the PDA automata. So if any state perform at the same time push and pop operation. So if any state performs the push and pop operation. So for example, after constructing the PDA, for example, Q0 is a state. So if this state is performing push and pop operation, Q0 itself, then that is called a NPDA. Okay, na? So that means, so we have the more chances. We have the same input symbol. For example, here the so input symbol, some top of the stack, some Z0. Okay, some for example, this is a this top of the stack. For example, Z0. This is a Z0, and some B, some A. So now here. So what is this is A comma Z0 slash A Z0. This is a push operation. This is the push operation. So this is AA. So current symbol top of the stack symbol is a A. So we are when matching, you can pop. That means this is epsilon. Epsilon indicate that. So we are going to pop. So Q0 is performing two operations itself here, push and pop. Then that language is called non-deterministic push down automata. Okay. So if any state perform only exactly one operation, either push or pop, then that is called a deterministic push down automata. Okay, na? So by seeing directly, so we cannot say. First, you construct. By seeing directly, we cannot say. Okay. So these problems already defined. So already constructed. So maximum these languages will come. Okay, in exam. Okay, new languages may not be come. Okay, in whatever textbook is there, so those languages only come. Okay, these are the popular W into WR, WC, WR, A4 and B4. So even if you don't know, so you construct the PDA. Okay, you construct the PDA, then see any state is performing two operations at the same time. Okay, so in that case, you can say that is the NPDA and PDA. Okay. So can you try this one, W into WR? Should I discuss how we are going to construct this W into WR? So will you try it? So shall I discuss this one or you try it? So S means you only do or shall I? So you will try. Okay. So you try it. Okay. Now, so please re-log in with the same link. Okay. So time is